Hi and welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures, and this time by the sea. And this is not primarily going to be about radio, because my friends over in AliExpress sent me this little propane burner French press Primus propane boiler, and this it's a camping stove with a built-in French press. And I'm a bit nerdy about my coffee. I'm a bit nerdy about a lot of stuff. So what I have here is propane. I have some coffee. I have a mug. I have a spoon. And I have this propane burner French press dingus here from Widesea. At the time of recording, this Widesea camping cooking system is $33.62 over on AliExpress. And if you haven't heard about AliExpress before, you've probably heard me talk about this a lot of times though, because, well, it's a Chinese store where you can get pretty much anything in any quality and any price range. That's a short story. But what I want to do, I want to make myself at least one cup of coffee. Then I want to start calling some CQs and see if we can get any QSOs. But first of all, coffee, because I have a dinner, but I haven't had coffee. So let's go ahead and set this dingus up. And the burner itself is right here, and it has a twist lock system to lock the pot on top of it. And this is going to be a little bit different than when I usually make French press coffee, because usually I have the coffee in the French press, then I boil water in a separate container, and then I press down. But here we got to start by boiling the water, then adding the coffee, and then put the French press on. And then let it steep for 4 minutes, and then we'll have a cup of fresh brewed coffee. I don't have too many criteria on this. I have two criteria. Number one, can I get the water boiling? Number two, can I make coffee? Those are my two only criteria, and then we'll discuss portability on the system when we're done. And yeah, there's also this little stand for your propane container, but we're not going to need that because it's a really steady table here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take half a liter of water. There are some measurements up in this pot somewhere. Let's see if I can see them. Half a liter of water, and they'll make a couple of cups of coffee. A half a liter is actually way more coffee than I can drink, but for the example, we'll do that. Hello. So 1 out of 2 is done. It for sure boiled water, but does it make coffee? Well, let's have a taste and see. Yes, it does. This is really nice, having fresh brewed coffee out when doing POTA. So I guess what's left now before we conclude on this Widesea propane burner, French press, whatever you want to do it. It probably, obviously the English is not my first language at this point. But before we do any conclusions on this thingy, I'm going to make a couple of calls. I'm going to show you 2 or 3, and then we'll draw some conclusions on both the POTA and the coffee.
Yankee Oscar 2, Echo Oscar Charlie Portable, Park to Park.
Yankee Oscar 2, Echo Oscar Charlie, Park to Portable, Park to Park. Thank you, Eugene. You are 5 and 5, 55 into Norway, over.
Roger, Roger. Thank you, Morten, for the 5 and 5 in Norway. You are coming here in Romania, 5-6, 5-7 in the very nice modulation. And hope to meet you again on YouTube on Sunday. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And could you please give me your part number? Part number, please.
Yes, of course. My part number is Romeo Oscar 0040. Romeo Oscar 0040. Do you copy?
I copy 0040. Thank you very much. Enjoy your activation. 73s.
Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilowatt.
Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilowatt. I was waiting for you, Steve. You're 5 and 7. 5 and 7 tonight. Over.
QSL Morton 5 and 9. Real tough copy on this and all kinds of QRM, but I managed to pull you out. Over.
Roger, Roger. Just happy to have you in the log, Steve, and enjoy your Tuesday. It's a little bit earlier for you. 7-3s.
All right, 73, my friend. All the best.
Thank you. Bye-bye. So, let's discuss a couple of things. First of all, the parks on the air activation. Didn't have high expectations. Ended up with 25 in the log, and mostly Europe, mostly Italy, to be honest. I seem to have a pipeline to northern Italy today. Besides that, a couple of Ukrainian stations. I got Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilo in Nova Scotia. A couple of Spanish and Portuguese stations. Not the best conditions, but certainly better than they have been lately. And then on to this coffee propane burner, coffee maker thingy. Let me just gather all the parts here. I really enjoyed being able to make a fresh cup of coffee out here. But there's no hiding it. This is a relatively big set. I usually bring a much smaller burner, much smaller pot, and I usually bring brew-in bag coffee, which makes this a whole lot smaller, more compact, and easier to pack down. And that's my biggest concern about this, because it's well constructed, it's solid. It made the water boil really, really fast. So everything construction-wise on this is good. But now I'm about 50 meters from my car. I wouldn't drag this along for 5, 6, 7 kilometers with the coffee and everything. I'd just bring a couple of bags of brew-in bag coffee and the smaller burner. And that's my biggest concern. It's actually a little bit too cumbersome, but for activations like this near my car, it's certainly an option, and it's certainly a lot better coffee-wise than brew-in bag coffee. So it kind of depends though, just to conclude. And I got a bit interrupted by some people walking by, so there might be some continuity errors here. The brew-in bag setup is easier. This is for certain better coffee. So it all depends on your purpose. I believe both of my burners and both of my kits have their place. The other thing is that the pot here isn't big enough to fit the propane canister. And that's a huge no-no for me, because then I got to carry that beside the kit. Weight-wise, relatively heavy. Doesn't really matter, because this is not a kit you carry for long distances. So it's up to you to decide. I'll leave an affiliate link down below as usual, so you can actually decide yourself if you want to get one of these or not. Quality-wise, really good. As I said, made in water, boil fast, makes great coffee. Those are my criteria for this. So it's a thumbs up. Besides that, this is not an original design. I am sure that this is a design that is copied somewhere. So yeah, feel free to comment on that as well. But it certainly works, and for $35-ish, sure, go ahead. That's it for now. See you down the bands. See you in my next video. 7-3, my friends.